In a world driven by imagination, industry, and innovation, digital technology has transformed art, science, and entertainment. From the earliest computers to virtual landscapes and global networks, humanity has created, built, and played. Now, after centuries of invention, a final creation rises, a universe where every story, object, and possibility can exist. This is the ultimate game, the end of worldly creation, where imagination meets reality, and every human contribution shapes a living, infinite world. From media and education to science and industry, this universe embraces them all. Welcome to the Eternal Earth. Welcome to Eternal Earth, a revolutionary virtual universe that merges imagination, reality, and AI. Here, humans create, explore, and interact in an open-world environment that spans every scale, from atoms to galaxies. Every object, creature, and environment is generated incrementally by AI, guided by real-world data. Historical knowledge, myths, and human input. Users can explore freely, create hybrid objects, and witness stories unfold. Eternal Earth isn't just a game, it's a living, evolving universe where imagination and knowledge converge. Today, we'll explore how this system works, how AI and humans collaborate, and how it blends reality, history, and myth into an infinite, immersive world. Eternal Earth is designed to merge reality, imagination, and myth. Every object and story from the real world, books, religions, historical events, and myths, can be explored interactively. Users might witness Hercules' story unfold, travel to ancient cities, or interact with mythical creatures. The system allows both observation and participation, blending entertainment, education, and creativity. By integrating this knowledge into the virtual world, users gain a platform to experiment, learn, and shape experiences. Each interaction builds the world further, allowing infinite possibilities while keeping realism intact through AI-guided generation. The core of Eternal Earth is a persistent, open-world universe that evolves dynamically. Every user contribution, whether a 3D scan, motion capture, or creative addition, becomes part of the world. AI refines objects and environments incrementally, ensuring consistency while enabling endless experimentation. The virtual world never resets, it grows continuously, reflecting human input, imagination, and real-world data. Users can explore, modify, or co-create, producing a living, collaborative ecosystem that blends gaming, simulation, and knowledge in a single, persistent environment. Eternal Earth begins with a single 3D scan uploaded by a user. This acts as the seed for the world, which grows incrementally as other users add their scans, creative objects, or interactions. AI works step by step, refining each object and environment based on inputs and real-world data. Over time, these incremental contributions accumulate, forming a rich, immersive world that reflects human observation and imagination. This method ensures scalability, realism, and persistence, allowing the universe to grow organically as users explore and create. Eternal Earth uses a distributed mesh network to manage its vast virtual universe. Every user's contribution becomes a node, which can compute, store, and connect with other nodes globally. If a node goes offline, its data can be temporarily disconnected without disrupting the world. This decentralization allows the system to scale infinitely while remaining resilient. Each node contains ownership and metadata, enabling NFT-style rights for creations. By linking AI, user input, and mesh architecture, the virtual world grows organically and remains persistent across devices and users worldwide. The AI at the core of Eternal Earth uses a backward-compatible, incremental generation system. Instead of generating entire worlds at once, the AI starts in a frozen buffer state and builds objects, environments, and creatures step by step. It asks questions like what is this object or what color and size should it be, then refines the template based on user input and sensor data. This method allows infinite possibilities while keeping computation feasible. Multi-scale generation ensures that objects can exist from microscopic atoms to massive cosmic structures. Users interact with this system naturally, and the AI adapts continuously, making the world dynamic, immersive, and responsive to human creativity. Eternal Earth allows exploration across all scales. Users can zoom in to see atomic or molecular interactions, like a loaf of bread baking, or zoom out to explore streets, cities, planets, or entire galaxies. The AI fills in details dynamically, generating environments only as needed to maintain performance. This multi-scale approach enables both scientific simulations and creative experimentation. Users can observe atomic structures, historical events, or cosmic phenomena while remaining immersed in a continuous, cohesive world. The system ensures that every scale feels detailed, interactive, and consistent, allowing truly infinite exploration. All real-world knowledge is integrated into Eternal Earth. Books, myths, religious stories, and historical events become interactive objects or storylines. Users can explore these narratives by watching them unfold or participating directly. For example, you could encounter Hercules, watch his story play out, or influence his actions in a gaming scenario. Libraries, museums, and archives are all accessible, turning knowledge into a participatory experience. By integrating this content, Eternal Earth combines entertainment, education, and exploration, allowing users to interact with reality, history, and imagination in ways never before possible. Users can activate stories and watch them unfold within the virtual world. Mythological tales, historical events, and literary narratives can appear as live scenarios. The AI adapts these stories dynamically, allowing observation or direct participation. For instance, a user might explore ancient Greece, interact with Hercules, or assist in key moments of a myth. Users' actions influence the outcome, creating a unique experience each time. This interactive storytelling transforms learning and entertainment, blending knowledge, creativity, and engagement into the virtual universe.
Summon forth beasts of legend by the power of time and tide!
Time travel in Eternal Earth allows users to experience history directly. Climb historic mountains, walk ancient streets, or witness pivotal events. Users can choose to simply observe or actively participate in historical scenarios. The AI recreates environments, characters, and events with accuracy, filling in gaps using real-world data. This feature combines education, adventure, and imagination, letting users explore time periods in a fully interactive way. Whether witnessing ancient civilizations or exploring famous historical moments, time travel in Eternal Earth provides an unprecedented immersive experience. Eternal Earth is a true open-world environment, allowing users to swim, dive, climb, or fly. Realistic physics and AI-generated environments ensure immersive and consistent interactions. Users can explore oceans, mountains, cities, and beyond, interacting with objects, creatures, and other users. This freedom encourages experimentation, creativity, and discovery. Hybrid objects, environmental puzzles, and AI-driven events add layers of gameplay and exploration. The system supports both realistic and imaginative activities, allowing users to traverse the world in ways limited only by their creativity. Travel in Eternal Earth combines realism with futuristic imagination. Users can drive cars, fly planes, or experience advanced transportation like flying cars and teleportation. Travel is seamless across the virtual world, allowing journeys from local streets to global and even planetary scales. Vehicles can interact with AI-generated environments, supporting exploration, racing, or simulation. This flexible travel system encourages users to navigate, experiment, and enjoy the universe while connecting real-world principles with creative possibilities. Users can create hybrid objects by combining real-world inputs with imaginative modifications. For example, a dog scanned from reality can be merged with dinosaur features or other creative elements. The AI refines these hybrid objects, ensuring realism and consistency in the environment. This system allows endless possibilities for creativity and experimentation. Users can invent creatures, machines, buildings, or scenarios that would be impossible in the real world. Hybrid creation encourages exploration, learning, and playful interaction, making every contribution unique and persistent.
Wow, it's like the world just opened up.
Eternal Earth captures reality using multimodal sensor input. Cameras, microphones, LiDAR, depth sensors, and environmental devices allow the AI to model objects, textures, sounds, and motion accurately. Users contribute data in real time or through pre-recorded scans. This enhances AI learning, helping it refine objects and environments with unprecedented realism. By combining multiple sensor types, hybrid objects and worlds are generated that feel authentic while supporting creative modifications. Multimodal input ensures that the virtual universe evolves continuously, accurately reflecting real-world phenomena and user interactions. Eternal Earth captures reality using multimodal sensor input. Cameras, microphones, LiDAR, depth sensors, and environmental devices allow the AI to model objects, textures, sounds, and motion accurately. Users contribute data in real time or through pre-recorded scans. This enhances AI learning, helping it refine objects and environments with unprecedented realism. By combining multiple sensor types, hybrid objects and worlds are generated that feel authentic while supporting creative modifications. Multimodal input ensures that the virtual universe evolves continuously, accurately reflecting real-world phenomena and user interactions. Users can collaborate in real time to build objects, events, and environments. Multiple participants can merge their contributions seamlessly, creating hybrid cities, creatures, or scenarios. Collaboration fosters learning, creativity, and shared experiences. The mesh network ensures smooth integration of contributions, while AI refines the results for consistency. Persistent co-creation allows users worldwide to collectively shape the universe, producing a continuously evolving, community-driven virtual world. Physical monuments act as data and computation nodes in Eternal Earth. These structures store portions of the virtual world and process AI calculations, linking digital contributions with real-world locations. If user devices go offline, the monuments preserve the world's integrity. They symbolize human legacy, like pyramids of knowledge, anchoring creation, history, and imagination in both physical and virtual realms. Nodes are modular, scalable, and resilient, ensuring the universe persists and grows. Eternal Earth offers infinite possibilities for creativity and exploration. Users can experiment with hybrid objects, activate storylines, explore history, or invent entirely new worlds. The AI dynamically supports realism while allowing fantastical creations. Sandbox elements, combined with physics-based environments, ensure players can freely test ideas, create narratives, and explore without limitations. This combination of limitless creativity and AI support encourages a persistent, evolving, and endlessly engaging universe. Eternal Earth's architecture integrates multiple components. The AI engine generates and refines objects incrementally, while a distributed mesh network manages storage, computation, and ownership. Sensor inputs feed real-world data into the system, supporting accurate and immersive object modeling. Multi-scale generation allows seamless exploration from atoms to galaxies. All historical, mythological, and factual knowledge is integrated as activatable objects or storylines. Together, these systems create a persistent, interactive, and evolving virtual universe. Eternal Earth represents the future of virtual worlds, a persistent, evolving civilization where learning, creativity, and exploration merge. Users co-create and experience an endless universe that blends reality, history, myth, and imagination. Hybrid objects, AI refinement, and multi-scale environments ensure immersive experiences, while mesh networks and monuments anchor the world globally. This is more than a game, it's a collaborative universe, limitless in possibilities, where human creativity shapes both virtual and physical realms. Eternal Earth is the ultimate sandbox for imagination, knowledge, and exploration.